Why do experts believe the costs of the Iran war will linger even after the conflict ends? The aftermath won't just vanish with peace. Hidden consequences will shape the region and the world for decades. The Iran war will leave a deep economic scar. Infrastructure destruction, lost productivity, and massive military spending drain Iran's economy. Reconstruction alone could take decades and cost billions. Sanctions and disrupted trade will keep the economy fragile, affecting everyday life and global markets connected to Iran's oil exports. This economic damage doesn't disappear when guns fall silent. It lingers in inflation, unemployment, and poverty. Beyond economics, the human cost is profound. Thousands of lives lost, millions displaced, and generations traumatized create social fractures. Mental health crises and reduced workforce productivity ripple through society. Healthcare systems overwhelmed by war injuries struggle for years. These human effects slow recovery and fuel resentment, which can spark new conflicts or unrest long after official peace. The Iran war reshapes power dynamics in the Middle East. Neighboring countries may back opposing factions, turning the region into a patchwork of proxy wars. This instability drives refugee flows, disrupts trade routes, and threatens global energy supplies. Diplomatic relations suffer, making cooperation and peace-building harder. The conflict's ripple effects extend far beyond Iran's borders, with instability potentially lasting decades. Environmental destruction is another hidden cost. Bombing and military operations damage farmlands, water supplies, and wildlife habitats. Pollution from weapons and damaged infrastructure contaminates soil and water, harming health and livelihoods. Recovery of these ecosystems takes years, impacting agriculture and food security. This environmental toll adds another layer of hardship to post-war rebuilding efforts. Political fallout is inevitable. The Iran war could undermine public trust in leadership and create power vacuums. Extremist groups may exploit instability to gain influence, delaying peace and reform. Rebuilding political institutions and fostering national unity can take generations. These lingering political challenges make lasting peace fragile and complicate international relations. The costs of the Iran war will stretch far beyond ceasefire announcements. Economic hardship, human suffering, regional instability, environmental damage, and political upheaval will continue shaping lives and policies for decades. Understanding these lasting effects helps us grasp the true price of conflict. If you want more surprising answers to questions you never thought to ask, hit subscribe and join us daily.